The food industry is booming. People love to eat. As populations grow and tastes evolve, the demand for diverse and delicious food experiences continues to rise. This creates an exciting opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Whether it's a trendy food truck, a cozy cafe, or a high-end restaurant, there's a space for your unique culinary vision. The potential for growth in this industry is enormous, and with the right approach, you can turn your passion for food into a thriving business. The food industry offers a vast array of possibilities for entrepreneurs, from traditional brick-and-mortar establishments to innovative mobile solutions. Food trucks have become increasingly popular, offering a mobile and flexible way to serve delicious food to a wider audience. They allow chefs to experiment with different cuisines and reach customers in various locations, from busy city streets to local festivals. Cafes provide a welcoming and relaxed environment for customers to enjoy coffee, pastries, and light meals. They often become community hubs where people gather to work, socialize, and unwind. Restaurants, ranging from casual to fine dining, cater to a more formal dining experience. They offer a diverse range of cuisines and atmospheres, making them suitable for everything from family dinners to special celebrations. Catering businesses provide food for events and special occasions, offering customized menus and services to meet the specific needs of their clients. They play a crucial role in making events memorable and enjoyable. Each type of food business comes with its own unique set of challenges and rewards, so it's important to carefully consider your options and choose the one that best aligns with your goals and passions. Whether you prefer the mobility of a food truck, the community feel of a cafe, the elegance of a restaurant, or the event-focused nature of catering, there's a path for every aspiring food entrepreneur. Starting a food business is about more than just cooking and serving food. It's about crafting an experience that resonates with people on a deeper level. It's an opportunity to create an experience that lingers in the memory, to share your passion with the world in a way that is both personal and universal, and to build a community around your love of food, where people feel connected and valued. The food industry allows you to tap into people's emotions and create memories that last a lifetime. Every dish tells a story, every meal is a celebration. A delicious meal has the power to bring people together, to spark conversations that might not happen otherwise, and to create a sense of joy and satisfaction that is truly unique. By starting a food business, you have the opportunity to be a part of these special moments, to witness the smiles and hear the laughter, and to make a positive impact on the lives of your customers, one meal at a time. Section 4. Navigating the culinary landscape, challenges and hurdles. While the food industry offers immense potential, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with it. The competition can be fierce, and standing out in a crowded market requires creativity, innovation, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Managing costs, maintaining quality, and ensuring customer satisfaction are ongoing challenges that require careful planning, execution, and constant adaptation. Long hours, demanding work, and the pressure to consistently deliver exceptional experiences are inherent in the food industry, and it's crucial to be prepared for the dedication and resilience required to succeed. Section 5. The recipe for success, passion, skill, and unwavering dedication. Passion is the fuel that drives success in the food industry. It is the spark that ignites creativity and innovation, pushing you to explore new flavors, techniques, and culinary traditions. Your love for food, your desire to create, and your commitment to providing exceptional dining experiences will be evident in every aspect of your business. This passion translates into the energy and enthusiasm that your customers will feel and appreciate. Combine your passion with honed culinary skills and a deep understanding of food preparation, presentation, and service. Mastery of these skills allows you to transform simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes that tell a story. Commitment is the unwavering determination to overcome obstacles, to continuously learn and improve, and to never give up on your vision. It is the resilience to face long hours, the patience to perfect your craft, and the perseverance to keep going even when challenges arise. These three ingredients, when combined in the right proportions, form the recipe for success in the competitive but rewarding world of food entrepreneurship. They create a foundation that not only sustains your business, but also propels it to new heights. Section 6. Embark on your culinary journey. Starting a food business is a challenging but ultimately rewarding endeavor. The journey will be filled with long hours, unexpected obstacles, and constant learning experiences. However, the satisfaction of creating something from scratch, sharing your passion with the world, and building a successful business around something you love is an experience unlike any other. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never lose sight of your vision. The world is hungry for new flavors and unique dining experiences, and your culinary journey awaits.